Come on, let's come out of the car. Come on, Natalie. Natalie, it's not time to go bye-bye. Come on, you gotta come out of the car. Natalie. Natalie, come on. Come on, Natalie, you want a treat? Natalie, you want a treat? Natty. Come on, Nat. Let's go have breakfast. Come on. Come on, Nat. You ready to go? Not bye-bye. I mean, go back in the house. Come on. Natalie. Come on, Natalie. Come on. Sweet Natalie. Why won't you look at me? Natalie, come on and look at me. Come on, Nat. Natalie, please. Come on, Natalie, let's get out of the house. Come on. Let's go run. Come on, Nat. Natalie, you are not going bye-bye. Sorry. Nat, you snuck in the car. You're not going. You have to go in the house now. Natalie, come on. You get big treats. Really big treats. Yeah, big treats if you come out of the car. Come on. Let's go, sweetie. Come on. You're not coming, are you? Well, okay.